Looking for an electric SUV that won't break the bank but still delivers the goods? The new MG S5 EV might just be the answer, and today we're taking a closer look at this compelling newcomer. Remember the MG ZS EV? The S5 is its successor, and it's a massive step up in every way. This compact electric SUV brings serious value while competing directly with heavyweights like the Volvo X30, Kia EV3, and Skoda Elroq. What immediately stands out is how MG has finally delivered a car without compromises. Previous models always came with a but: good value but cheap interior, or decent range but uninspiring drive. The S5 EV changes that formula completely. The exterior styling won't set your heart racing, but it's clean and modern with those distinctive daytime running lights sitting above the headlights. It's a look that will age well, even if it doesn't scream for attention. Power comes from either a 170 horsepower motor with a 211-mile range in the base model, or a punchier 228 horsepower setup with up to 298 miles in the long-range version. The latter hits 62 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, faster than its Kia and Renault rivals. Step inside and prepare to be impressed. This is undoubtedly MG's best interior yet. Soft touch materials are everywhere your hands fall, with hard plastics cleverly hidden away. The perforated faux leather steering wheel feels genuinely premium, and trophy models get lovely suede touches and embossed seat patterns that lift the ambiance considerably. MG clearly listened to customer feedback. Physical climate controls now sit beneath the responsive 12.8-inch touchscreen, and there's even a quick shortcut button to disable those annoying driver assists that plague modern cars. These small touches make a huge difference in daily use. Families will love the practicality on offer. The rear seats are genuinely spacious with loads of legroom, and the 453-liter boot nearly matches the Kia EV3. Not bad for a car that costs thousands less. Behind the wheel, the S5 surprises with accurate steering and composed handling that clearly benefits from its MG4 underpinnings. Mid-corner bumps that would unsettle lesser cars are dispatched with confidence. Starting at just 28,500 pounds with a reassuring 7-year warranty, the MG S5 EV delivers tremendous value without asking you to accept significant compromises. It's a mature, well-rounded package that proves affordable electric motoring doesn't have to mean settling for second best. So is this the best affordable electric SUV you can buy right now? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.